Do you ever wondered which are the oldest universities in the world that are still continue to impart quality education? Well, you are in luck, because we have the list of top 8 oldest universities in the world. If you haven't been already, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. 1. University of Carawine. The oldest educational institution in the world is the University of Carawine, was founded by Fatima al-Fihri in 859 AD in Morocco, as a community mosque with an associated school. They got Guinness Book of World Records as well. 2. University of Bologna. The University of Bologna in Italy, the second oldest university in the world, was founded in 1088 AD, and it is the first university in Europe. For many years, students could only study canon and civil law. It can count Dante as one of its former professors, and the university has seemingly managed to keep its quality fairly consistent, with the Italian newspaper La Repubblica often ranking it first academically in Italy. 3. University of Oxford. The University of Oxford is the oldest university in England, and the third oldest university in the world, was founded in 1096 AD. While there is some dispute among the oldest universities about their earliest founding dates, it is at least clear that the University of Oxford was the first university in the English-speaking world. It gained a significant boost in terms of numbers and importance in 1167 AD, when Henry banned English students from studying at the University of Paris. 4. University of Salamanca. In the University of Salamanca, teaching began here, sometime around 1094 AD, and it was officially recognized by the King of Leon in 1164 AD. One particularly notable discussion to have taken place, within the walls of the University of Salamanca, revolved around Christopher Columbus, first about whether his proposed trip west from Spain would be feasible, and second about how he and his men should have treated the Native Americans. 5. University of Cambridge. The University of Cambridge was founded in 1209 AD, when a number of scholars decided to break away from the University of Oxford. Now, over 800 years later, Cambridge ranks among the top universities in the world for scholarship and funding. It has the largest endowment of any university outside of the USA. 6. University of Madrid. The University of Madrid remains the largest and one of the most prestigious universities in Spain. It was founded in 1293 AD. It became one of the first universities to award a doctorate to a woman in 1785 AD. 7. University of Coimbra. The University of Coimbra was founded in 1290 AD. Originally established in the capital city of Lisbon, it moved around a few times before, settling in Coimbra located in central Portugal. The student body is about 24,000, and the university hosts thousands of international students every year. Thanks to its age and impressive campus, the university was awarded a place on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2013. 8. University of Rome. The University of Rome was founded in 1303 AD. It was also the first pontifical university created by Pope Boniface. It wasn't entirely for selfless purposes. He wanted a university where he could keep a closer eye on the theological teachings. That's it for now. Share your knowledge with us in the comment section below. If you haven't been already, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. I will see you in the next one.